In the past, I was doing this. And now, I'm doing this.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Home office. So many people are doing this right now. I will replace my whole homework setup by this guy here. Let's find out what will happen. But first, I guess I don't need this one anymore. So I guess I'm set up. My desk is empty. I have my controllers, my glasses. Let's dive in. So now I'm right here on my virtual environment, my virtual home. From here is now my new home office. To start, I downloaded already one app called Workrooms from Facebook. Let's try it out. What? I need a desktop computer? Oh no! So I better keep the computer plugged in this time. Okay, I made it. We are here in VR right now, and I paired my headset. Get started. Record now. Use my hands. Okay, worked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, worked. All 5 fingers are here. This is great. I think we need to work. We need to put our hands to work. I got a message. Better, much better. You are mine in this world. Okay, worked enough for today. Time to go home. See you tomorrow. So what's the conclusion of this small experiment? If you are looking for productivity, then VR glasses is still not right. Because basically what I was doing is using my desktop computer through this VR glasses. And that didn't boost my performance in anything. But if you're looking for interaction, talking to people, having some virtual meeting, this is a way to go. But overall, it was a fun experiment. Thanks for watching and